Here we got a 3.4 disc. It's got 6 gangs per section. It is 7.5 inch spacing. It has the floating hitch. This thing has a very nice frame on it. It's got the original Ford decal, category 1 pins. The front discs are bad, okay? It needs front disc replaced. It does have box bearings. The front discs are getting pretty small. Not that you couldn't go use it, but they're pretty small, 13.5 inches. And then these blades on the back are about 16 inches. You're gonna buy it absolute on Tractor House auction. 7.5 feet. I think that'll catch it. They'll probably call this a 7-foot disc because it'll measure 7 feet in the front, but it'll actually be about 7.5 to measure the back.
Okay.
It is adjustable on each gang too. You can pull these pins adjusted. These are phenomenal discs. Really, this disc would be really decent if a person went and put some new front blades on it. We just don't have the time or the help, so you're gonna get a bargain.